This river table, which is cherry slabs with a river in between them, is really, really pretty. My friend Terry from Wild Edge Woodworking is making this, and it just happens to be in my shop right now. One of the features that I really like on this table is the way that these stones have been embedded in the river. So you've probably seen a lot of river tables. This is quite a thing these days. But putting objects in like this is something that can really bring them to a next level. So the way this gets done is a layer of epoxy has to get poured and allowed to cure to a point where whatever it is that you're setting has the opportunity to sit on top of that. So, of course, especially with something as dense and heavy as stones, if you go too early with that, they're just going to sink to the very, very bottom. Now, at the other end of that, there's a timeline involved. We don't want to let that first layer cure too long because then the second layer is not going to want to adhere to it. So the key to that is follow the manufacturer's instructions, check with them on what is that window of time where that first layer is strong enough to support an object, but it's not fully cured, and the next layer you pour over the top of it is still going to have a chance to adhere. And if you follow those rules of the road, you're going to have a cool looking table like the one Terry's got going here with that opportunity to embed different objects into the epoxy river.